Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today we're in Gloucestershire and we're in a place called May Hill, which lies between Gloucester and Ross-on-Wye. We're going to hike to the top of May Hill, do a few geocaches, maybe fly the drone, but we can enjoy the area, which is most important.
Look at all these wild horses.
As spring mornings go, this is not a bad day. We're going to find our first geocache of the day.
So is that tree?
And it's hidden in one of these trees. I can see the geocache. It's hidden.
Oh, that is very clever.
Well disguised. Try and put this one back.
Tippy toes.
Yeah, all 6 foot of me.
Hey.
We got back from Rome day before yesterday. Rome was a fantastic place to visit. One of those cities you need to go to. So yesterday we didn't do much. But today, how can you not go out on a day like today? It's amazing. May Hill, or its surrounding areas, seems to be maintained by the National Trust. So you know generally the surrounding areas and paths will be in good condition. From where we've parked, it's not a long hike to get to the top of May Hill. I think I can even see the trig point from where we are. It's just over there, the other side of the trees. And considering it's a little hill, the views are really quite something. We're in the middle of a small cluster of trees on top of May Hill. And with the sun shining through, it's very picturesque. And we've reached the trig point for May Hill. Whee! Crikey, the crowds.
Forest of Dean.
Forest of Dean. What else? Oh, Malvern Hills.
Yep.
Behind the trees. Over there is the River Severn. had a break, had a sandwich, done a bit of overhead filming, and now we're going to complete the circuit of geocaches through the woods. So look, wow, she's found a geocache. Thanks. So, we're now walking through the woods to the right of May Hill. Or what they call the May Hill Walk.
It actually feels spring-like.
It does, doesn't it?
Beautiful blue sky.
Beautiful. A proper spring day. It's lovely.
Daffodils everywhere.
We can spy a bench. Time to sit down.
Won't get better than this.
Nope.
Right view of the River Severn.